Good morning, culinary. Last week we was able to tour a local restaurant where we put in practice what we learned so far in ServSafe. Today we're going to learn how to use a tomato slicer, put in practice what we learned for ServSafe, and make sure you guys are staying focused during this distance learning. Today we'll be learning how to use a tomato slicer. As you see, she's taking out the core of the tomato. And this equipment has been cleaned and sanitized. She is going to put the tomato in the slicer and she's going to push through. And that is the proper way to slice a tomato. Now that you guys watched the video on how to use a tomato slicer, you want to make sure before you even start using the tomato slicer that the items have been washed, rinsed, and sanitized and allowed to air dry. Then you're able to use that item. When you finish using the tomato slicer, you must then again take it apart, wash, rinse, sanitize, and allow to air dry. If you're going to be using this tomato slicer for constant use for 4 hours, you must then stop after the 4th hour, wash, rinse, sanitize, allow to air dry, and then continue to use the item. All tomatoes must be kept at 41 degrees or lower after it's been sliced, or you can just keep it for 4 hours and discard after the 4th. I hope you enjoyed watching the video on how to use a tomato slicer. Please remember to log into your Google Classroom daily. Make sure that you're completing your assignments because I want you prepared to take this exam. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.